Did you know that you can install electric vehicle charging stations on a helical pile foundation? This may sound a bit unfamiliar, but it's an excellent solution to make sure your post will never slant. Hi, I'm Lana, technical specialist at GoliathTech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more interesting tips and tidbits. Whether they're installed for residential or commercial purposes, we're seeing more and more electric vehicle charging stations everywhere we go. If you're looking to install one for your home, there are many ways that you can go about it. The most typical installations we see is the home charging station being installed directly on the garage or on the side of the house, since the farther away from the home you go, the more costly it'll be to pass the wires to the station. However, having it directly in the garage or on the house isn't always an option. So some people will opt to have the electric car home charging station installed with a floor-standing pedestal. When using a pedestal, the power cables and communication cables will run through the ground and up the pedestal pole to the terminals inside the charging point. Using helical piles to support the pedestal is a great option to make sure your charging station will always remain level. You might be asking, but how do I attach the pedestal to the helical pile? Well, GoliathTech offers a variety of custom-made heads to fit the pedestal base plate, no matter the make or model that you choose, and make sure that there's a secure area to pass the wires, something the electrician is sure to appreciate. The alternative to helical piles would be to dig a hole and pour concrete. In frost-prone areas, the challenge is to make sure that you go deep enough below the frost line to make sure your concrete won't heave in the spring. With helical piles, since the helix is installed below the frost line, there's no risk of movement and your electric vehicle charging station will never slant. Another advantage is that if you install a screw pile for your charging station in an area that has already been built, paved, or has plants or gardens, the impact on the landscape due to the installation of the piles remains minimal, with no excavation required. Another question you might be asking is, what happens if I need to move my pedestal in the future? With concrete foundation, moving your pedestal will mean digging up your footing, filling the hole, digging again a new location, and pouring new concrete. But with our helical piles, we can simply remove the pile and reinstall it in the new position with no digging or filling holes needed. Just don't forget to call the electrician first. So whether you're a contractor, electrician, or anyone looking to install an electric car charging station, think of us. We'd love to help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.